ಇಲ್ಲ.
So always be careful. ದೇವರು ಪ್ಲೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಡೈಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು ಬೇಕಾ ಊಟ ಚಿಕನ್ ಈಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಈಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್, ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಈಟ್, that way you behave, okay? And if you eat too much of spicy, you get too much of kopa, okay? It's always about sattvic, tamasic, rajasic. It's all about behaviors and food. It's all interconnected. Okay, so what, cold is there, you take 1 or 2 bhajis, that's okay. What is there? In summer also you take, it will become more heat. So there are two things. One is the samyama. Samyama is the composure. Samyama. It can only happen with these 3 things. Yama niyama anta ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? ಪತಂಜಲಿ 8-fold ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಯಮ ನಿಯಮ ಆಸನ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಧಾರಣೆ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಸಮಾಧಿ. ಇದು ಬಹಿರಂಗ ಯೋಗ. ಯಮ ನಿಯಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಬಹಿರಂಗವಾಗಿ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಹಿರಂಗ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್. ಅಂತರಂಗ ಯೋಗ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ: ಧಾರಣ, ಧ್ಯಾನ, ಸಮಾಧಿ. ಧಾರಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ gets ready, concentration. You need airport to take off. So I can say the preparation of airport is just like a dharana. Dhyana is the deepest dhyana. Why dhyana are not outside, inside. And samadhi, of course, is a pure consciousness. There is nothing called no body, nothing, zero. It's all into. So there is a yama to asana. There is one thing called bahiranga. It also needs to samyama of the body, samyama of the thoughts, samyama of the words, deeds. And then if you go internally, dharana, dhyana, samadhi, this can bring the overall total stability. ಕೋಪ ಬಂತು, ಕೋಪ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಕೋಪನೇ ನೀವಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ BP, ಯಾಕೆ BP ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ the BP sugar comes with those who are very angry, very lethargic, very bad lifestyle. You see people, no disciplines. Not only body discipline, the inner discipline also is not there. There are a lot of people who are not so good, disciplined in body, but they are internally they are good. They think good of others, they do good things. So internally they are good. Even though a little bit high, here and there they go wrong, but the cleansing happens from inside. So samyama you have to bring in if you want. Next, there's a photo here. You can see this photo. You have to try and screen ಮೇಲೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. This person pushed this. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅದು? ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೇ ಕರ್ಮ. ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಕ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಟ್ಟದೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟದು ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. He is pushing this. He thinks I have pushed somebody. He doesn't know. It goes and it goes, and it may take years or 10 years or 1 year, days, next janma. This is a timeline. From here to here, it's a timeline. It can happen tomorrow. It can even in next janma also. People when ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು, ನನಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಿಂಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Sir will answer that. Okay. Because that is question. ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು, ನಾನು ಕೆಟ್ಟೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವನು ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹಳೆಯ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಕಾಯಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ. ದಿಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್. ಪೂರ್ವಾರ್ಜಿತ ಪುಣ್ಯ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್? ಪೂರ್ವ ಅರ್ಜಿತ ಪುಣ್ಯ. ಇದರ ಆಡುಮಾತುಗಳು ತಪ್ಪಾಗ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಜನ್ಮ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಬಿಡೋ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಜನ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಿಡೋ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಸೀನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? Even the law of attraction, you call it as same thing. If you whatever you give, always thoughts, feelings, and that kind of feelings create a vibration. If there is some vibration in this space, there is a vibration in some kind of vibration in Mars, it must be in your house also. Okay? You go to near your shop, there is a different kind of vibration, commercial vibration. ಯಾರು ಏನು ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡ, ಯಾರು ಏನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ, ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬೋದ ಜನಗಳನ್ನ, ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಅಪನಂಬಿಕೆ, all transactional language will be there. In Avenue Road, it will be the highest. If you go to KG Road, it is a cutthroat. If somebody is kept a bag, whack it. They'll take it away. Within no time, the bag is gone. That means it's full of almost pickpocketers. A lot of pickpocketers are there in that area, right? More people there. So, vibrations are directly connected to. If you have good vibrations at home, slowly, if not immediately, slowly good things will happen. If you create a bad vibration, as far as possible, that's why the Yajamana, Yajamana is a person who is more stronger. That stronger person has to take some beatings and protect all the smaller guys. Okay? He takes a decision, and he is the consequences also of the decision he should take it. Have you seen families? The stronger Yajamana is like more harmonious family and united family. Loose Yajamana is a loose family and no harmony. Okay? Because Yajamana, I'm talking about Gandu and leader. I'm not talking about the boss. Even maybe in the office, they are called as boss. I don't know. The boss should be more stronger than a person who is working somewhere down the line. ಏನಾಯಿತು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂತು, he should be able to digest it. Then only he is called a Jaman. He should be able to take the labha, he should also be ready to take the nashta also. I am ready. The moment such vibrations are created, everybody works in a sort of a secured atmosphere. Otherwise, if I lose it, I am very responsible. A boss, a bad boss, what he can do is, he tells, you have to do like this, you have to do like that. Unless you do it, you will be fired. What a good leader, Yajamana, will say, why you are unable to do it? Come, let us see. Why can't you change your ways? Why don't you do this? These are the ways you can change. We'll motivate him to change. We'll motivate him to work. What is your problem? Tell me. The one Yajamana is shouting and want to take control. Another Yajamana wants to develop people. And I think in the long run, the second fellow is more prosperous than the first fellow. Because the first fellow always gives fear to his people. The second person will always give some sort of a comfort. Okay? Why mothers are always comfortable to their children? Whatever good or bad, they'll excuse. Kshama Guna is more in mother. For father, no. So it's always like that. The more Kshama Guna, the more tolerance for errors, the more tolerance. Okay, there is some confusion. Why it is called supervision? Somebody is a supervisor. Right? Supervisor. He should have. He is not a worker. You got it. You see, people who are working cannot see the mistakes. People who are watching make mistakes, and people who go once in 15 days watch maximum mistakes. This is in our industry is there. Once in 15 days, 1 week we go, we find only mistakes, and that fellow is bugged up. My God, I thought that everything is okay, but there are 20 things which are not done. That's why you should make a list, empower them, give them consequences, tell them the relationship with the clients will grow. All these kind of positive affirmation will bring their life. Otherwise, they will run away. They will run away with confusion. They will out of fear they may tell lies. Out of fear, all kind of things. You are creating disharmony. It is nothing but karma cycles only. Okay, and then I will be talking about something called. There are 3 kinds of karma. One is Sanchita karma, Prarabdha, Agami. You know about it. He is the best person to talk on all this. and accumulated